If you've switched to Claude and you're still prompting it like ChatGPT, you're leaving 90% of its power on the table. I made this exact mistake my first month. And here are the 5 things nobody tells you about when you make the switch.
Number 1 is Claude Code. It's a terminal AI, which basically means it's able to write, edit, and run code directly from your machine. ChatGPT can't touch your file system. Claude lives inside of it. Number 2 is that ChatGPT is somewhat of a yes man, whereas Claude will actually tell you when an idea, or let's say an email copy, is bad, give you proper suggestions, and clarify what you're actually trying to get across. That's worth more than a yes man. Number 3, if you're using Claude Desktop, you get access to Claude Artifacts. Artifacts are essentially documents, code, and visuals that live in a separate window that you can edit live. ChatGPT just drops whatever assets it builds inside of the chat that you're in, making it super hard to find your assets at a moment's notice. Number 4 is how we could teach Claude to sound more like a human, using these individual skills that we can find on GitHub. ChatGPT out of the box just sounds like a LinkedIn post from 2019 or something. If you're creating content and you want the ability to change the way that Claude actually writes out content for you, that alone is worth the switch, because you can pull these humanizer skills and edit them to your liking. Whereas with ChatGPT, you have to create custom GPTs or re-explain how you want it to communicate with you every conversation. Number 5, and this is a huge one, Claude's context window is massive. With Opus 4.6, we now have a 1 million token context window. Whether we're using chat, co-work, or even Claude Code on the Claude Desktop app, you can paste entire code bases, full documents, 200-page PDFs. I noticed ChatGPT chokes on anything past a few pages.
If you want to see how I use Claude to run my agency and manage all of my content, comment AI agent below and I'll send you some resources.